Okay, hi Katie and Gabrielle. All right, so let me see. Can I open? Okay, so Gabrielle, I'll look at yours first. Okay, so by breaking your font, it means taking live text that you can edit and turning it into just artwork that's flattened. Because if I don't have your fonts, then it is not going to show up on my computer. And you will see. All right, this looks like clip art. Did you create it? All right, so you have the files set up right, but because the fonts are broken, it is not showing me what you intend. So this is all you do. I'm on a Mac and I do Command B twice. Um, Otherwise, you go to Modify, Break Apart, and you do it twice. Break apart. So now you can see it's like an editable vector rather than type. Like if I wanted to change that to an F, I couldn't do it. So that's how you do it. All right, so look at yours, Katie. Oh, that looks nice. I didn't have any issues with font. All right, so you're just going to have that loop over and over again. That's fine. We are going to put these on a website, probably your portfolio site. So consider maybe adding even one image. But otherwise, I'm kind of wondering why Welcome to My Portfolio is off to the right a bit. Perhaps you want to line it all up so that the first letter starts exactly right here. You see what I'm saying? Also, you could consider, if you didn't want to add any images, you could consider doing something unique with the type, like possibly have the welcome come on as if it's handwritten. There's a lot of tutorials on how to do that, or even typewriter. Handwritten type effect, Adobe Animate. After Effects tutorial, animate your own text with motion graphics, After Effects, After Effects, After Effects. I'll keep looking for Adobe Animate. That is something you can do in After Effects, but I'm not sure about Animate. All right, let me know if you have any questions.